Hello everyone, Dr. Bortolotti here. Today I'm going to show you the different parts of the O. Henry essay and how you can go about using this template to create your essay on your own. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you what the outline is made of. Very simply, your name goes here. The due date is here. And your outline begins here. I'm giving you an essay title. Use this. I'm also giving you your topic sentence. You have to use that. Remember, the word introduction is just a placeholder, just like the word conclusion. No actual paragraphs appear on the outline. So don't write an introduction paragraph here and don't write a conclusion paragraph here. Looking at the parts of the essay, your first subtopic is going to be on the last leaf. Your second subtopic will be on the gift of the Magi, and your third will be the cop and the anthem. In each paragraph, you will be discussing plot, theme, and you will include some expert criticism. Plot is storyline. What happens in the story? A theme, that is, what is the author's purpose in the story, or what does the reader learn from reading the story? Criticisms are reviews. Expert criticism from expert book reviewers. I'm going to skip down now to the last page of this file, and on this page you will see I've included some sources and some other information that I'll get to in just one second. For this assignment, let's just pretend that you have found these sources. You found an article by Don Agold, you found an article by Oren Judd, and you found an article by Xavier Singh. You found all of these articles online. Agold's article was on the last leaf. Judd's article was on the gift of the Magi. Singh's article is on the cop and the anthem. These people are O. Henry experts, and they wrote some reviews on O. Henry and his short stories. Let's just assume, pretend, that you have found these. I have written them up in the APA style of documentation. Whenever you use an outside source for an essay, you've got to write up the source information in the APA style. In this case, it gives the author's name, where you got it, and it also gives when you got it, when you retrieved it. This date right here you may have to change depending on when you write this essay. Notice that they appear in alphabetical order. But once again, let me just remind you, let's just pretend that you have found these sources, not me. Okay, scrolling down on this page, let's just say, once again, pretending that you read the Don Agold article, and this is the quote you want to use out of that article. Let's say you read the Oren Judd article, and this is the quote you want to use out of that article. This is the Xavier Singh article. This is his quote. Eventually, you are going to have to copy and paste these lines into the appropriate paragraph found above. Right here is a list of the different themes. Notice I don't have them organized by story. Take a look at this theme. Love is the greatest gift of all. Which story is this appropriate for? Which story is this appropriate for? Which story is this appropriate for? Choose one of these themes and then include it in the correct spot of your essay. Now let's take a look at the essay. The introduction should be at least 4 to 6 sentences long. Usually, students write about O. Henry and his life, as long as you end the introduction with the topic sentence. So go online, read up on O. Henry, and include some of his background in the introduction. The first paragraph is on the last leaf. I am giving you your subtopic sentence. Use this sentence as your own. Then write 2 sentences on the plot, at least 2 sentences. Choose one of the appropriate themes from below and insert it here, and then give me 2 sentences about that theme. Then choose the appropriate critic and his quote and include it in the essay, in this paragraph. Do the same thing for the next paragraph. Here is your subtopic sentence. Notice the transition, and then follow the prompts in the paragraph. Here's your third subtopic sentence. Follow the prompts in the paragraph. One final thing. Make sure you take the header and change it to your last name. Right-click on the header, edit header, type in your last name, and then you change the header. Don't mess with the page number. Finally, save this file as your own. File, save as, navigate to your spot where you want to save it, and name it with your last name. O. Henry essay. Watch what happens when you hit the save button. Right here. It is now yours, and you can write all over it. Any questions? You can email me or catch up to me in class.